Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with old Saint Nick. First comes the stocking of little Nell. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries, one that will open and shut its eyes. Oh ho ho, who wouldn't go? Oh ho ho, who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with old Saint Nick. Next comes the stocking of little Bill. Oh, just see what a glorious fill. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks, a whistle and a ball and a whip that cracks. Oh ho ho, who wouldn't go? Oh ho ho, who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with old Saint Nick.